Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate the forward bias characteristics experiment of a PN junction diode. For that, the following equipments are required. Firstly, a power supply is required. You can easily see from this video that we have taken one of the three power supplies. Actually, there are three power supplies. As you can see, we have chosen the left hand side one, which is a 0 to 30 volt power supply, and we can observe the power supply voltage using this meter. This meter will give you the power supply voltage, this digital meter. We will first turn on this power supply. See, now I have turned on the power supply. Apart from this power supply, we are having a multimeter which is operated in milliammeter mode. This is the multimeter which is operated in milliammeter mode, which will measure the current, and we are also having another multimeter operating in voltmeter mode, which is going to measure the voltage across the PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is connected in forward bias mode for this experiment. You can easily see that this red wire is the positive of the power supply, and that is actually connected to this point of the resistor, and from this resistor, in between this resistor and this PN junction diode, you will find that we have connected a multimeter operating in milliammeter mode. I am talking about this connection which I am getting from this multimeter operating in milliammeter mode. So the multimeter operating in milliammeter mode is connected in series between this resistor leg and this PN junction diode leg. Now I am going to the other multimeter which is operating in voltmeter mode. You can see that the two terminals of that multimeter are connected across the PN junction diode. Here, this is the red one, and this terminal is the black one, which is connected across the PN junction diode. And the PN junction diode is forward biased. So what we are now going to do is, we are going to vary this power supply voltage and go on noting down the current using the milliammeter and the voltage across the PN junction diode using this milliammeter operating in voltmeter mode. So let us first vary the power supply voltage. We are varying this power supply voltage. Currently the voltage is, as you can see, 0.62. Corresponding to that, we have got the milliammeter reading as 0.3, 0.2 or 0.3. You can take it as 0.2 or 0.3. It is slightly fluctuating. Correspondingly, you can note down the output voltage across the PN junction diode using this multimeter operating in voltmeter mode, and you can find it as 0.5 volt. Now we go on varying the input voltage. Say now the input voltage is 1.43 volt. Correspondingly, see the milliammeter reading. It is 1.6 milliampere now. So obviously the current has changed, rather increased, and correspondingly you note down the voltage across the PN junction diode. You will find that it is 0.6 volt now. We will go on varying this power supply voltage. We are now increasing the power supply voltage to, say, now 2.49, or rather 2.5, you can say 2.49 volt. Correspondingly, note down the milliammeter reading. It is increasing. It is now 3.5, and correspondingly you will find that the output voltage has not increased much. It is 0.64 now. Previously it was 0.6. Now it is 0.64. Again we can go on increasing the supply voltage. Now it is, say we have set it as 3.64 volt. You note down the milliammeter reading. It has increased significantly to 5.6 milliampere, and correspondingly you will find that the output voltage has not changed much, but it is lying around 0.66 or 0.67 volt. If we go on varying or increasing the power supply voltage, say now I have taken the supply voltage as 5.16 volt, correspondingly if you note the milliameter reading, it will be 8.5 now. Now it is 8.5. But the power supply, the output voltage across the PN junction diode remains more or less fixed. It is now only 0.69 volt. So it has increased only by 0.02 volt. So we will find that the output voltage is changing very, very slowly, remaining more or less unchanged, but correspondingly the milliammeter reading is increasing with increase in the value of the supply voltage applied. So we are going to plot current versus voltage using the two multimeters operating in milliammeter and voltmeter modes respectively, and then plot the IV characteristics of this PN junction diode operating in forward bias mode. Thank you. This is a brief introduction of the laboratory experiment on forward bias characteristics of PN junction diode. Thank you.